Welcome to session number 41, and we are going to continue with the words which are which are coming in the common phenomenon and occurrences. This is session number 41, and this is in sequence with section 39, session 40, and this is 41. So the first is people are the craziest like a cow. So when a person is like a very placid, very polite, very humble, very obedient, you can say this person is like a cow. And cow in Latin word is known as bov, bo. Bo means cow. So from bo, the word is coming like bovine. So ine means like. So and bov means cow. So bovine means cow like a cow. Humans are sometimes compared to animals as the following adjectives. Humans are sometimes compared to animals as in the following adjectives. Leonine, Leo means lion, so leonine means like a lion. Canine means dog, so like a dog. Feline means cat, so it is like a cat or a catty. Porcine, porse means pork, so pig like. Vulpine means fox, so somebody is having a shrewdness of fox, you can say that person is vulpine. And if somebody is like a bear, then you can say bear like. Lupine means wolf, so wolf. Equine means horse, so horse like. And piscine means fish like. You cannot go home again. Greek root notos. Notos means to return and algos mean pain. So nostalgia means old age memory. So when you are talking about 1965, then you are thinking about the atmosphere of 1965, people around you, the culture at that point of time, the sociology at that point of time, and it is so good that you are still remembering it. It means you become nostalgic. So adjective is nostalgic. And how we are using the words? I am nostalgic, always of 1960 film. Now sounding, cacophony means harsh sound, and cacophonous. Now caco, caco means something ugly, not good, and phony means sound. So cacophonous means harsh sound which you do not like to listen. Greek root cacos means harsh and phonos means sound. So in a similar way, tele means it is far and phonos means sound. So sound for afar. Euphony, eu means good and phony means sound. So it is a pleasant or a good sound. Photography means writer of sound. Graph means to write, and photo means sound. Saxophone, a musical instrument invented by Adolphe Sax. Xylophone, sound through word. So it is known as xylophone. Phonetics, sound of language. And phonics, signs of sound. The flesh and all. Carnis means flesh, and voros means to devour or eating habits. So carnivorous, carni means flesh and vorous means eating habit. So whose diet is meat or a flesh. Herbivorous, herbi means herb and vorous means eating habit. So herb eating habits. Herbivorous, whose diet is herb. Omnivorous, omni means all and vorous means eating habit. So when you are eating everything, then you are known as omnivorous. And voracious means somebody who is greedy. So somebody is doing beyond certain limit, then you can use a voracious reader or a voracious eater. allness. So when you want to express the idea where all is coming, then there is a word in Latin which is known as omni. Omni means all. So there are words like omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent and omnibus. Now potent means powerful. So somebody is powerful in all way, then you can say omnipotent. Omniscient. Scient means to know something. So if somebody knows everything, then you can say omniscient. Omnipresent means you remain present everywhere. Then you can say you present everywhere means everywhere. Means all places. So omnipresent means present everywhere. Omnibus. Bus means bus, bus means for all. Used in legislative bill. Latin word ubiquitous. Ubiquitous light. Ubiquitous means it is available everywhere. Ubiquitous laughter. And noun is ubiquity. More flesh. Note how carnish flesh is building block of many other words which are as under. Carnelian, color of red flesh. And Latin word vale means farewell. So carnival means outdoor entertainment, or you can say a fair. Carnal means libidinousness, pleasure. So carnal pleasure, carnal appetite. And libidios means libido means sexual. So carnal pleasure means sexual pleasure. Carnage means great destructions of life, mass murderer. And reincarnations means rebirth. Incarnate means the devil incarnates, a devil in the flesh. Dark secret, Latin word calm means secretly. Secretly concealment. So sometimes we use, what is the type of wiring? We can say the wiring in my house is a concealed wiring. Means you cannot see the wiring on the wall. It is inside the wall. Surreptitious means kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of. So surreptitious means stealthy, means something hidden, something which is not visible, something which is sneaky, furtive. So clandestine means private meeting or secret meeting or hidden meeting. Now here is the exercise and we have to do the exercise. So in the beginning we already look at the word INE. We already look at the word INE. So here INE means like. And the same word is being asked in this pair, and the first word is starting from INE. Now the word INE means like. Leo means lion. So from this lion we can make leonine, like a lion. Felis means cat, so feline. Porcus means pig, so porcine. Canis means dog, so canine. Vulpus means fox, so vulpine. Somebody is very cunning, then you can say he is a vulpine. Ursus means bear. Lupus means wolf, so lupine. Equus means horse, so equine. Piscis means fish, so piscine. Notos means a return, so nostalgic. Algos mean pain, so anodyne means it is reducing your emotional pain. IC is actually coming in adjective suffix, so nostalgic, I say. Cacos means bad, harsh or ugly, and cacophony means ugly sound. Phone means sound, so euphony. U means good and phony means sound, so good sound is equal to good sound. Cylon means wood, so Xylophone means sound through word. Carnis means flesh, so carnivorous. Voro means to devour, so herbivorous. Herba means herb, so herbivorous. Omnis means all, so omnivorous, or omnipotent, or omnipresence, or omnibus. Ous means adjective suffix, so omnivorous or cacophonous. Potent or potencies, so powerful, so omnipotent means person who is powerful everywhere. Science means knowing, so omniscient means who knows everything. Ubique means everywhere, so ubiquitous. 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 Ity, so proximity, so ity. Whale means farewell, so carnival. Carnival, al is coming. Re means again, so redo, you can say redo or reincarnation. Ate means verb suffix, so incarnate. In means incarnate. Calm secretly, so clandestine. And noun ubiquitousness. Now these are the words and you have to match with the words. For example, leonine. Leo means lion, so it is lion like. Canine means dog, so dog like. Feline means cat, so cat like. Porcine means pig like. Porcine means pig like. Vulpine means fox like. Ursine means bear like. Voracious means somebody who is greedy, so 7 is a greedy. Omnipotent means who is powerful in all respects, so all powerful. Omniscient, who knows everything, so it is 9, all knowing. And surreptitious Stan means tilde or clandestine. Here nostalgic, the word nostalgic means homesick. Cacophonous means harsh sound. Herbivorous means something who is eating grass like. Omnivorous means somebody who is eating everything. Ubiquitous means it is available everywhere. Carnal means lewd, lecherous and lubricious. Carnal means, you can say in other words, lecher. Incarnate means in the flesh. Now phonetics means phonetics is a science of speech or sound. Carnivore means meat eater. Voracity means greediness. Omnipotent means infinite power. Omnipresence means somebody who is present everywhere, so it is omnipresence or universality. Omnibus, a collection of all things. Carnelian, so carnelian means it's a red color. Carnality means it is lechery, lasciviousness and lubricity. Carnage means salter. Surreptitiousness means furtiveness, tilt or sneakiness. An incarnation, a return to life in a new body or a form. Lupine. Now what is the meaning of lupine? Lupine means wolf-like. Equine means horse-like. Piscine means fish-like. Phonetician. Phonetician means experts in speech sound. Impotent. Impotent means powerless. Ubiquity means occurrence or existence everywhere. Reincarnate. Reincarnate means bring back to the new body or form. Now here the statements are given and there is a true and false, and you have to decide whether the statement is true or false. A person of leonine appearance looks like a tiger. No, leonine means it is like a lion. So false. Canine habit refers to the habit of dog. Yes, canine means a dog like. So dog habit. Feline grace means cat like grace. Yes. Porcine appearance means working like. Appearance means work like. No. Porcine means pig. So no. Vulpine. Craftiness means fox like. Yes, vulpine means fox like. Ursines means bear like. Nostalgic feeling refers to the longing for the past experience. Yes. Cacophonous music is pleasant and sweet. Cacophonous means very awkward and not a music or a pleasant sound. So no. An elephant is carnivore. Elephant is herbivore. Elephant cannot eat flesh. So no. Deer are herbivorous. Deer are herbivorous. So it is true. Next, same statement are given and you have to agree or disagree or true or false. A omnivorous reader does very little reading. Omnivorous means who read everything, so false. A voracious eater is gluttonous. Yes. A omnipotent is unattainable by human being. Potence means who is potential everywhere. No one is omniscient. Yes. Fear of economics ruin was practically omnipresent in the early. Yes. When airplane lands for refueling, the ubiquitous little and gasoline wagon comes rolling up. Yes. An author omnibus contains all his published writing. Omnibus means all collections. So yes. Carnelian is a deep blue color. No, it is deep red color. So no. Carnally is much respected in a puritanical society. No. There is a considerable carnage in war. Of course. A surreptitious glance is meant to be a conspicuous. Surreptitious means conspicuous. A person who is evil, inaccurate is a vicious character. So true. Secretly means clandestine. Clandestinely. Or surreptitiously. In harsh and noisy manner. So cacophoniously. Homesick. Nostalgically is a greedy, devouring manner. Voraciously. Now here the direct answer is given. Greediness means voracity. Unlimited power means too much power. So omnipotent. Infinite knowledge means omniscient. A gathering of all things. So omnibus. Lechery, indulgence in flashy pleasure is carnality. Salter means carnage. Stiltiest and secretiveness is surreptitiousness. Harsh sound means cacophony. A science of speech means phonetics. A return to life in a new form is incarnation. Reincarnation. Lion-like means leonine. Dog-like means canine. Cat-like means feline. Cow-like means bovine. Fox-like means vulpine. Bear-like means ursine. Homesick is nostalgic. Grating sound means not good sound, so cacophonious. Meat eating is carnivorous. Grass eating is herbivorous. All eating means omnivorous. Devouring, greedy, voracious. In the flesh, incarnate. wolf-like, lupine, horse-like, equine, fish-like, piscine, referring to the speech of sounds, phonetics, expert in speech sound, phonetician, powerless, impotent, existence everywhere, ubiquity, existence everywhere, ubiquitous and omnipresence, to bring back into another body, reincarnate, to embody, make real or put into bodily form, incarnate. Now here there are three options or three words are given for the one word which is given in column number 2, and you have to find out the correct word. Utter want means penury, means poverty. Experience or second hand is vicarious. Inoffensive is euphemism. Homesick, nostalgic. Meat eating, carnivorous. Stingy is parsimonious. Extra financial need, destitutions. Great and increasing wealth, affluence. Remaining in short time, evanescent. Sweet sounding, euphonious, because EU means good and phonious means sound. Praise glowing, eulogize. Sense of physical well-being, euphoria. Hackneyed expression, cliche. Cat-like, feline. Bear-like, ursine. All-knowing, omniscient. Found everywhere, ubiquitous. Destructions, carnage. Stilty, surreptitious. Again there is a root and there is a meaning, and you have to find out there. Penuria is a Latin word, it means want, and penury means it is a dire poverty, means no resources. Fluo means to flow, so affluent, somebody who is rich. Wealthy, opulent means wealthy. Ephemera means they fly, is ephemeral means it lives for a minimum period of time and then it will vanish. Vanesco means to vanish, so evanescent means something which is vanishing or started vanishing. Feme means voice, so euphemism means to tell some offensive in a very good way. Phone means sound, so phonetics. Logos means word or speech, so eulogy. Debt, euthanasia means a painless death. Euthanasia. Platees means flat, so platitude. Odyne, so anodyne means reduction in emotional pain. A drug which reduces the emotional pain is known as anodyne. Leo means like a lion, so leonine. Fetis means cat, so feline. Porcus means pig like, so porcine. Canis means dog, so canine, dog like. Vulpus means fox, so vulpine. Lupus means wolf, so lupine. Equus means horse, so equine, means horse like. Piscis means piscine, means fish like. Nostos means to return, so nostalgia. Elgos means pain, so nostalgic. Cacos means bad, so cacophonious. Xylons means wood or xylophone. Carnis means flesh, so carnivorous. Voro means to devour, so omnivorous, who eats everything. Herba means herb, so herbivorous, animal which eats only herbs. Potent means powerful, so impotent. Science means knowing, so omniscience. Ubique means everywhere, so ubiquitous. Well means farewell or carnival, and calm means secretly, so clandestine means secret meeting. So this is the end of session 41, and I am going to put the PDF file in the description box. So kindly download the PDF file in the description box and practice on the PDF file itself to master the vocabulary session. Now we are going to meet again in a very new session with a new vocabulary from session number 42, 43, 44, and then one more chapter, and the chapter goes up to 46, and there we are going to end this entire session. So thank you very much. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.